To buy USDC the easiest way in 2022 using Uniswap. Start by setting up a digital wallet that supports Ethereum, such as MetaMask. Download and install the wallet. Then create a new account by following the prompts. Fund your wallet with Ethereum, which will be used to pay for transaction fees and to purchase USDC. Next, navigate to the Uniswap website and connect your wallet by clicking on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Select your wallet provider from the list of options and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Once your wallet is connected, click on the Swap button to begin the process of buying USDC. In the swap window, select Ethereum as the token you want to swap from and USDC as the token you want to swap to. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to exchange for USDC, or use the slider to adjust the amount. Before confirming the transaction, review the details of the swap, including the exchange rate, the amount of USDC you will receive, and the transaction fees. If everything looks correct, click on the Confirm button to initiate the transaction. Your wallet will then prompt you to confirm the transaction and pay the required fees. After the transaction has been confirmed, your USDC will be deposited into your wallet. You can then use your USDC to make purchases, send it to other wallets, or hold it as a stable store of value. Throughout the process, be sure to follow best practices for securing your wallet and protecting your assets, such as enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your wallet software up to date. By following these steps, you can easily buy USDC using Uniswap and begin using this popular stablecoin for your financial needs. Remember to always do your own research and stay informed about market conditions and regulatory developments that may affect your use of cryptocurrencies like USDC.